Hey guys, Tiger Woods fan 19 here, and my shaft came in. As you can see, it's a Taylormade Adidas Golf custom order. Please do not refuse. Well, I guess that's for the owner, so not for me. So I've unpacked my shaft. Here's the bag it came in, but I think I'll put this up. Like, I have a Nike one right there and a Nike one right there, so collect them. So here's the shaft. It's in aldila reax 60 gram X flex. Nice. Here's my current shaft. It's the aldila, exact same except only stiff. So I'm just gonna quickly switch the shafts here. So here we go. Just see the finishing touches here, and there we go. So, same head except X flex. You could try this out on the course tomorrow morning, and I might put on an update. And final note, you guys should check out PGATourdriven.com. It's a great website created by pureswingtv.com. Gabriel Ryder. I'll post a link to his channel and the website in this description. So comment, rate, subscribe, and thank you for watching.